Imagine a fridge that knows what you need before you do. Samsung's new AI-powered refrigerators are here, and they're about to change the way we shop for groceries forever. Want to save time, stay organized, and never run out of essentials? Keep watching to see how this cutting-edge tech works. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about AI transforming everyday appliances. Samsung has unveiled its new line of AI-powered refrigerators that do much more than just keep your food cold. These innovative appliances come equipped with built-in grocery ordering features, allowing you to restock your pantry with just a few taps. The technology behind these smart fridges is powered by AI, which analyzes your habits and preferences. It keeps track of the items you use most and even suggests what to order. Forget the days of writing grocery lists or making last-minute trips to the store. This fridge has you covered. The best part? These refrigerators integrate seamlessly with major grocery platforms, so you can place orders directly from the fridge screen. This means less time shopping and more time doing what matters most to you. Samsung is also taking personalization to the next level with its SmartThings cooking platform. Imagine getting recipe recommendations based on what's already in your fridge. That's right, the AI ensures you can make the most of what you already have before ordering more. This isn't just about convenience, it's about reducing food waste, saving money and optimizing your daily life. Samsung's vision is clear smart appliances designed to make life easier, greener, and more connected. What do you think about this game-changing innovation? Would you trust your fridge to handle your grocery shopping? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves tech or wants to simplify their life.